Stamper, and we are going to do another Rolodex card from our Memodex. So let's go ahead and get out our blank one here. Ooh. All right. I'm super excited just to be crafting and not knowing what the end result is going to be. So I've got my little blender brushes, I've got some tape, I've got my box of tricks here, and we're gonna see what happens. I'm thinking I'm gonna get out, let's see, what color did we pull here? Well, I don't think this one's ever been used. All right, so we get to go ahead and decide. I think we're gonna go with a brand new in color copper clay and see what that, oh, look at that. That is some dark. Now that I got most of it off, I'll put a little bit over here. We'll work with it, right? We will work with it. And let's see if I have any good stamps that might want to go on here. We've got our Queen Bee stamp set. And I'm going to grab this one here. Now, normally when I'm doing cards and such, I will put these on a block. But since we're doing Memodex, I just put it right on my fingers. And we'll put some right there. Oh, yeah. And we'll put a little bit right there. Love it, love it. So far, so good. And then, while I'm doing that, there's a little queen hat here. We'll get that as well. And we'll put it right there. We'll put another one right there. I love it. Stamping with our fingers. How can we go wrong? I know, most of it's going to be covered up, but that's okay. I just love playing and not knowing where it's going. Just going to get out a little wet wipe here. And move forward. Let's get out a couple of these and see if there's anywhere we want to go. What's this? This keeps that color all together. We'll see. Your logo. Oh, how about retro? That kind of looks fun. That's a little too big. Or happy hour. I think these are probably a little too big, and we're going to go with some retro on there. Yep. I'm loving it so far. We've got Van Gogh here. Let's see what we've got in here. I'm gonna open my little beauty box here. I'm gonna stick these all in there rather than going through them one by one. Ooh, that one's a good one. These are all Van Gogh. I believe I got this from either Shein or... Ooh, that's a good one too. I either got it from Shein or I got it from Temu. So... that one kind of looks good there. Oh, definitely. Van Gogh. All right, let's play a little bit with some washi. I just love using this different kinds of mixed media all over the place. And of course, this one's my favorite one. Let's see if we can get this undone within minutes. Looks like we got it. Nice. You can always save those extra pieces. What else we got that could be fun? This is more art. Oh, this could be a fun one. Something like that. That's a pretty one. Let's see. Got our nice color palette there. Okay. am loving this so far. Let me see if there is a little bit of something in here. This is a sticker. I think the hardest part is getting these off. There we go. Use some of this. It's gonna be a little bit of a better stick there. Oh, this is so pretty. All right, let's see if we could find some words here. Do I need a ticket? No, I don't think I need a ticket. We're going to put one more ticket on here. Let's see. I'm going to go with challenge yourself. I'm going to get a little bit of this color. There we go. So pretty. I'm excited about that one. That was not too bad. This one wants to creep out. We'll add our new one in there. And there's another fun one for the day. If you like this, please give me a big heart. I appreciate you guys so much. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.